Hi guys, Havasu Hiker here, and I want to talk to you about what I carry in my survival pack when I go hiking. So my gear is based off a Marine Corps 782 gear, or deuce gear as we like to call it. And this is how I learned about survival kits and survival in the desert. And it comes with a canteen cup, which nests perfectly. Bottle of water purification tabs. See that? I've got my tomahawk, and of course, my K-bar and the ass pack, which is all attached to a belt and an H harness. So in the survival kit, I also have these 5 cards, survival cards, which I got on Amazon with a little pouch. And they're really cool. They have everything from fish hooks to arrowheads, snares, and saws and knife blades. So that works out. I have this electrolyte replenishment, and I have some hot tea. Got a little food, a couple of glow sticks, a diamond stone for sharpening, and as you can tell, a little thermometer out here with a compass. And if you can read that or not, it's about 100 degrees out right now. I've got some survival cards here, just some extra knowledge on it for map reading. And I've got some over here for knot tying. I've got a box of Kleenex, or a packet of Kleenex. I have a set of binoculars, a signal mirror, another compass, a headlamp, a sewing kit, and some cool little carabiners which I found, especially this one, which has a striker and other multi-tools on it, which has a flint striker and other multi-tools on it. And you'll notice I have everything laid out on my Arcturus ground sheet. This ground sheet is lightweight and has a mylar backing. It's great for making a shelter or just sitting down in the harsh climate and desert. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.